So friends, now we will learn all about sentences, that is kind of sentences. Kinds of sentences means वाक्याचे प्रकार. Okay, previously what we saw about sentence? A sentence is a set of words that create meaning, it's called sentence. Means a sentence is a set of words which is complete in meaning. Complete in meaning. And we know for completion of the sentence a verb is always needed. So the structure of a common sentence is always subject plus verb plus object. So at least in the sentence this verb is must. If you know, the smallest sentence is go. Go is a verb as well as the smallest sentence. Next thing, we also learn all about kinds of sentences in the previous lecture, and the sentences are in front of you. Assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Assertive means, we will repeat, विधानार्थी. Another name for assertive, that is declarative. Next one, imperative, that is आज्ञार्थी. Next one, interrogative, that is प्रश्नार्थक. Next, exclamatory, उद्गार वाचक. Assertive sentence, विधानार्थी वाक्य, gives some information. First thing, second thing, ends in full stop. It is also a statement. Which gives us some information, tells us something, tells, suggests or states something. For example, very simple example, I am a teacher. This tells us something and that is also ends in a full stop. For example, For example, I give you, I am a teacher, that is affirmative sentence. And here one example, I don't enjoy swimming. Look at this phrase, this word don't, which suggests that this sentence is negative. Negative means nakararthi and affirmative means hokararthi. Second one, imperative sentence. It is also called as ajnarthi. Ajna, the word shows order or request. Imperative sentence gives us instructions, advice, command, request, wish, encouragement. I already told imperative means order or request. Number one, order. Order means ajna. This one, advice, that is sallah. Command, command also states ajna. Request, you already know, request means vinanti. Wish, ichha. And encouragement means protsahan. A special feature of this sentence, that is imperative sentence, is it always start with a verb, with a main verb. For example, go there. It is an imperative sentence. In this go is a main verb. For example, advice, obey your teacher. See here, verb. Command, don't run, don't. This do is a verb. Request, please bring a chair, bring, verb. This please show request. Requests are commonly started with the word please. Next topic. Next type of sentence, that is interrogative sentences, means प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य. प्रश्नार्थक, which is a question. As well as is it ends in a question mark. This is the sign of question mark. In interrogative sentence, in questions, in these interrogative sentences, in these questions, you always remember this word, that is a question. It is familiar with you. There are two types of questions, yes no questions and WH questions. Both ends in a question mark, but they start with different words. This yes no question start with a helping verb. And WH question is always start with a WH word. Yes no question start with am, is, are, has, have, do, does, shall, will, etc. WH question start with what, when, which, where, why, whose, whom, who and how. For example, are you in standard 10? And another one example, who are you? Both are questions, but both are different questions. The first one is yes no question because it starts with helping verb. The second one is WH question because it starts with a WH word.